What does $32 million get you in a car? Not just speed, not just luxury, but a machine so rare it makes a private jet look common. Today, we're counting down the 10 most expensive cars in the world, where engineering meets insanity and price tags defy logic. And trust me, number one will shock you. Most car videos scream about horsepower and 0-60 times. But let's be real. These cars aren't about practicality. They're rolling masterpieces, owned by billionaires who treat them like rare paintings. Some have never even been driven. So, today, we're breaking down the 10 most expensive cars in 2025 based on confirmed sales, rarity, and sheer absurdity. Starting off at number 10, we have the Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus, priced at $3.9 million. At just $3.9 million, the Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus is the cheapest car on this list. But with a top speed of 304 mph, it's one of the fastest production cars ever. Only 30 exist, and its quad-turbo W16 engine is a dying breed. Coming in at number 9 is the Lamborghini Veneno, $4.5 million. Lamborghini built just 14 Venenos in 2013, and today they're worth double their original price. This wedge-shaped spaceship has a V12 that screams to 9,000 RPM, but most owners just stare at it in climate-controlled garages. Number 8 is the Koenigsegg CCXR Trevita, $4.8 million. The name Trevita means three whites, because only 3 were made. Its body is coated in real diamond dust, because why not? And yes, it's also got 1,018 horsepower. At number 7, we have the Pagani Huayra Imola, $5.4 million. Named after Italy's legendary racetrack, the Imola is the most extreme Huayra ever. Hand-built with a twin-turbo V12 and no traction control, it's a $5.4 million adrenaline rush for those who dare. Number 6 is the Bugatti Divo, $6 million. The Divo sacrifices top speed for insane cornering, a $6 million track weapon limited to 40 units. It's named after a 1920s French racing legend, and with its wild aerodynamics, it lives up to the legacy. Halfway through the list at number 5 is the Mercedes-Maybach Exelero, $8 million. A one-off built for Fulda tires in 2005, this 700 HP V12 coupe blends Maybach luxury with muscle car aggression. Jay-Z famously rapped about it, and in 2025, it's still one of the most exclusive cars ever. Number 4 is the Bugatti Centodieci, $9 million. A tribute to the EB110, the Centodieci 110 in Italian is a 9 million, 1,600 AHP hypercar limited to 10 units. It's Bugatti's way of saying even their tributes cost more than most supercars. The bronze medal goes to number 3, the Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta, $17.5 million. The final Zonda ever made, this open-top speedster was built for Pagani's founder, Horacio Pagani. Only 3 exist, and with a manual transmission and a 789 HP V12, it's the ultimate driver's heirloom. In second place, we have the Bugatti La Voiture Noire, $18.7 million. Inspired by the lost Type 57 SC Atlantic, this one-off Bugatti is the most expensive new car ever sold. Its W16 engine and handcrafted body make it a $19 million mystery. Nobody even knows who bought it. And now, the most expensive car in the world. It's not a Bugatti, not a Pagani. It's the $32 million Rolls-Royce La Rose Noire Droptail, a custom coach-built masterpiece with hand-painted rose motifs, a V12 engine, and a trunk fitted with $500,000 worth of champagne glasses. Only one exists, and rumor says it belongs to a Middle Eastern royal who hasn't even driven it. So what's the point of a car you can't drive? For some, it's art. For others, it's status. But one thing's clear, these aren't cars in the normal sense. They're trophies, and their price tags are just part of the game. Would you drive one of these or lock it away forever? Let me know in the comments, and if you think we missed one, drop it below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insane car lists. Until next time, remember, most of us will never even see these in person.